Thus, we will talk about linking verbs. The verbs which link a subject to a word or phrase that describe or identify the subject are called linking verbs. Linking verbs are usually followed by words or groups of words that can have the nature of an adjective, adverb, or noun. These words are groups of words are called complement. Examples: Sumesh is happy. In this sentence, happy is adjective. The remote is here. In this sentence, here is adverb. His uncle is a carpenter. A carpenter is a noun phrase. Verbs like is, appear, turn, and are called verbs of incomplete predication. They are called linking verbs or copular verbs. Exercise A. In the following sentences, circle the linking verbs and underline their complements. Only answers are given. First one, turned, linking verbs. Second one, was, linking verbs. Third one is smelled, linking verbs. And fourth one was, linking verbs. Fifth one seemed, linking verbs. 20 this year, complement. Happy to see its master, complement. Heavenly, complement. Quite young then, complement. Like an hour, that is also complement. Feel and stay, linking verbs. Sleepy, late, complement. Looked, linking verbs. Lip smacking, complement. Appears, linking verbs. To be simple, complement. Some verbs are always linking verbs. These are called true linking verbs. True linking verbs do not talk of an action but tell us something about the subject or its state of being. True linking verbs are the whole form of be, like is, am, are, was, were, being, and been. Second one, seem, seems, seemed. Third one, become, becomes, became. Examples: Chirag is a doctor. Tells us what Chirag is. We were thrilled to hear the news. Describes how the subject feels. Exercise B. Use linking verbs to complete these sentences. Use the words given in the box. You can use a word only once. These are the words. Now, only answers are given. First one, turned. Second one, looked. Third one, sounded. Fourth one, are. Fifth one, seems. Sixth one, tested. Seventh one, appears. Eighth one, grow. Now, the features of linking verbs. First, it tells us what the subject is or what state the subject is in. Sania is a tennis player. He appeared angry. Second one, it links the subject with words that gives more information about it. He feels nervous during exams. Now, third one. When a pronoun follows a linking verb, it should be in the subjective, not objective. Examples: It was she I was talking about. She is subjective pronoun. Second one, it was they selected. It was him they selected. Here him is an objective pronoun and can't rightly be used here. Exercise C. Underline the main verbs in the following sentences and state whether they are linking verbs or not. Only answers are given briefly. First one, appears, linking verbs. Appears, main verbs and also linking verbs. Second one, became, main verbs and linking verbs. Third one, grew, main verbs but not linking verbs. Fourth one, feel, main verbs but not linking verbs. Fifth one, stayed, main verbs, linking verbs. Sixth one, grew, main verbs and linking verbs. Seventh one, looked, main verb, linking verb. Eighth one, stood, main verb, linking verb. Ninth one, tested, main verb, linking verb, no linking verb. And 10th one, looked, main verb, not linking verb. So this chapter is over.